Hey guys, it's me, Kyle the Tool Rambler, with a quick one coming to you. This one is for safety. Say one day you start up your vehicle and you notice you've got all these lights, engine's running, but you've got every kind of, I've got my ABS, my brake's not set, but for some reason the brake light's on, traction control lights on, airbag lights on, the windows won't work, the stereo system, the AC's out, but the engine's running, but it will not let you get into gear. If you need to get it safely off to the side of the road or down the road to a repair shop, or if you're close to home, here's how you get it into gear so that you can safely drive home. Right next to the shifter is this little tab. It's nice to have a screwdriver with you. You can pop that out, set that out of the way. If you push the screwdriver down in that hole, there's a little tab, foot on the brake, it will now let you put it into gear, and so you can safely drive home. If for some reason you don't have a screwdriver, let me turn that off, you can actually use your key. The key will fit right down in there, foot on the brake, it'll let you put it in neutral. Once it's in neutral, it will then let you start the vehicle, you can put it in gear and drive home. Hopefully, no, don't forget to lose your little tab, but hopefully that'll save some of you guys a little bit of heartache. But you don't want to drive far that way, because usually your headlights aren't working, your turn signals aren't working, your anti-lock brakes, none of that stuff's working. So you just want to get safely to the nearest safe place that you can, either the side of the road, a repair shop, or home if it's close by. But you don't want to drive this way when like on a road trip or something. So there's my tip of the day. Hopefully that'll help you guys, and as always, ramble on.